Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
Rage turns into a deadly shooting in White Pine within the last hour. The police chief there, Chad Cotter, saying that 59-year-old Derwin Wilds is accused of shooting and killing 20-year-old Jordan Price. This happened on Roy Messer Highway at exit 4 near I-81, about 5:20 this morning. Now, we're told Price was rushed to the hospital with a single gunshot wound, but died within an hour. According to the department, Wilds was taken into custody, charged with voluntary manslaughter.
In White Pine after what police are calling a road rage incident. White Pine police say that shooting happened around 5:20 this morning off Roy Messer Highway at exit 4. They say it started as a road rage incident and ended with a 20-year-old man shot at a red light. Police say the suspect is a 59-year-old man. He did stay at the scene and is now in custody. The Jefferson County Sheriff's Office and TBI are helping with this investigation. The police chief says 20-year-old Jordan Price was killed. Investigators say 59-year-old Derwin Wilds shot him with a .40 caliber handgun. They say he stayed at the scene and was arrested. Wilds is charged with voluntary manslaughter and is in jail.
County now mourning the loss of a 20-year-old killed in what police are calling a road rage incident yesterday morning. Our Sam Luther joins us tonight. Sam, another man is facing charges.
Yeah, Casey, 59-year-old Derwin Wilds was arrested yesterday and charged with voluntary manslaughter. According to arrest records, an argument on the road led to him shooting 20-year-old Jordan Price. Tonight, Price's mother says their family is struggling.
I signed his birth certificate and I had to sign his death certificate. It's not right.
At just 20 years old, Jordan Price's mom is now tasked with planning a funeral, a Jefferson County High School graduate, and a father of a 15-month-old son.
Who's going to teach him how to shoot ball? Who's going to teach him how to fish? Who's going to teach him to do anything that a daddy's supposed to do?
White Pine police say 59-year-old Derwin Wilds shot and killed Price on Roy Messer Highway. Arrest records say in the midst of a road rage incident, Price stepped out of his car and
During road rage, it never ends well when people step out of their vehicle.
Wilds shot the 20-year-old. He's now charged with voluntary manslaughter, and a mother only left with the fond memories of her son.
If there was a dark room anywhere and my son walked in, it was the brightest room in the world.
Price and this family hopeful for justice and pleading to others to keep their composure on the road, feeling like this all could have been avoided.
There was no reason for this, none. If you're that mad and driving, then go back home or seek Jesus one, because that's not right.